So you are definitely not wrong because things don't move as fast on Pinterest as they do on other platforms, even when you're running ads. So it's very much, you have to be patient. So if you are new to running ads, a lot of times that first month it's going to be really about the data and warming up your tag. Pinterest needs to understand who your person is. And then of course, usually about month 2, you should see what's possible. Now, a lot of things depend on this. It depends on, like you said, this was like an e-commerce client, how much money they're putting behind the ads, you know, how you're running them, are you retargeting people, things like that to really see what's going to happen. But yes, a lot of times when people are coming to Pinterest, they're still in that planning mindset. So they might come back to it 2 weeks later, a month later, 2 months later. What's really good is that the Pinterest backend shows a longer attribution window or conversion window. So you can sometimes see if sales happen way down the line and not just like within 7 days. But yeah, it's not going to always be so quickly. It's not going to be like that first week. So it's very good that you did know that and you were on the right path. A lot of times, some people, when they come to Pinterest, they don't understand it and they don't have that long game mindset. So then they're expecting overnight results and then they give up too soon and miss out on all their blessings.